In today's video, we are looking at assignment statements that are used in programming. Assignment statements are common types of code statements. You are using the result of an expression that is executed on the right-hand side of the equals sign. Then you're storing the result on the left-hand side. An actual value or a complex set of operations or method calls can be on the right-hand side. A variable name will always be on the left-hand side of the equal sign. You can also declare the type of data that the variable will be assigned to on the left-hand side. When the program runs, the right-hand side is completely resolved before it is assigned to the variable on the left-hand side. On the left-hand side, as we stated, is the variables, yes, and that will be replaced by the values that are stored in the memory location once the assignment statement is executed. To complete any mathematical expression, then the order of operations that is used in math has to be used so that we can compute the final result before arriving at the assignment of the value to the variable on the variable which is on the left hand side. There will be no expression on the left-hand side of the equal sign, which has a variable. The variable will store the final result, as we said, on the left-hand side. The variable can also be on both sides of the equal sign, as shown here. Here we have E is equal to E plus R. At the moment that the line is executed, that is the assignment statement, the assignments will be done and will not be set as a permanent relationship since we are speaking about a variable in today's video. Now we mentioned the term variables. In programming, a variable stores data or values. It is a named storage location in memory that is allocated for the variable. During the execution of the program, the values can change, and this is why the name variable is assigned to the container which holds the values or data. To explain the concepts of variables in programming, we can consider the variable to be a container or a box in which we will store values or data. However, the correct definition for the variable is as follows. A variable stores data or values, and it is a named location in memory. The variable can change during the execution of the program, and this is why it is called a variable. Order of operations. In programming, we need to be familiar with the order of operations when we have an expression to simplify. In mathematics, the order of operations are the rules that tells you the sequence that you would use to solve an expression that has multiple operators. PEMDAS, which is PEMDAS, is an abbreviation that is used to show the order of operations. So first, if we have an expression that has multiple operators, we would first do the part which has a parenthesis, then the exponents, then we would multiply, divide, do addition, and then subtraction, going from, for the addition and subtraction, we're going from left to right. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like,
comment, and share.